DRD allotment here, and welcome down to the new allotment. So today we've got a few little jobs to do. It's all tidying up at the minute. I have got some onions to plant and some broad beans to plant.
Yeah, broad beans.
So I'll flip up the camera and give you an idea of what one of the first jobs we're going to do. Right, these boxes, which is full of soil and all that, we're going to bag up. There's other ones down there. Some have got sand and soil in, and there's some over there. So we're going to get all the soil into bags. As I said, we've got in that bag next to my phone there's some onions. I'm going to put them in, so I'll show you that when that's happening. Right, we're starting to get the weeds out of these to get what's decent soil. Once I get one done, I'll put it in a compost bag. I forgot about them compost bags, to tell you the truth.
Yeah.
Oh, and Rob's getting his new toolkit out. Rob's getting his new toolkit out.
Well,
Our little garden tools at the other allotment.
some of them are right.
Our hand tools. And Daddy's phone rings. As you can see, empty boxes. These have got soil in. We're busy clearing this area,
Just piling
tidying everything up. We're doing a sort of an area at a time. Get those, see if there's any. Rob's away up to see Susan to see if there's any black bags. We're putting rubbish in. We're going to move all this over to where the shed is. Move these, we'll have to sweep out and we're going to put these under there. And so we're getting them two full and that full of soil. Right, Daddy, no, put them next to the board. So you're kneeling the board keeps you straight.
about there.
Yeah,
And then just push it in.
yeah, then you don't need to cover them. Make sure the little tops are sitting above the soil. You're putting them in the right way, aren't you?
Like that, and that got a bit through, and that bit there through.
No. That is the top.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Aye. So,
So you want about that distance apart?
yes, right that. A good distance apart. We should get try and keep it in straight with the board. That's what the board's there, to keep it in line. No, close. Right, put there. Work your way up the board. So here we are putting onions in. So the other one put at the end of near the end of the board.
Right.
Then you'll have to slide the board up. You'll probably get another one about.
Grab the board. Okay, you do.
Can I just pick them up? Oh,
So bad. Do it then. Right to the end.
now are you all?
Yep. In a bush.
You might get another one about there. Right. Now, Rob, we're going to need you because we're going to lift the board when he gets up. We're going to lift the board.
We'll move it down here.
Move it down here and put it in front of them onions. Then you do another row down this side.
Yep.
But that board's not straight.
No.
Yeah. And do another row down that. Actually, you could go that way a little bit. I don't know how many onions there is. You can go right close to them onions, you know.
I can't.
You go right close to them onions.
Right, that's close as we can get them.
Right. So you can go down that side now.
Yep. How many onions you've got?
Oh, you're a big bag full, are you?
Yeah.
Ooh, tons. We'll get loads in. We'll probably lose some.
Yeah. Unfortunately, we couldn't get garlic.
I have a look tomorrow when I'm in the market to see if I'm meeting up with the auntie tomorrow. So I will see if we've got any in.
They said they're not getting any in now this season.
Are they? That what they said?
Yeah.
It's out of season.
Something like that.
Shouldn't be.
Well, I'll have a look at and see if we've got any in tomorrow.
Right, Rob.
Grab them.
Rob,
So we can come to in here.
Right, I'll stop filming. Okay, we're now going to sow some beans. These are what they are. Broad beans, Aquadulce Claudia. So that's what we're putting in here. Go on then. How close are you putting them to the stick?
yeah,
They've got to have plenty of room to tie up the stick.
yeah, that's enough there. Where I'm putting them is enough. I've still got some. I might put a couple more in the middle.
Eh? Well, then they'll not grow.
Well, I've got
They'll
some
not
left
climb.
unless I put them just in there.
Put two. In case one fails. Bob's going to run the beds with a strimmer. Well, as you can see, we've cleared this area and swept some of the things up. That's all going on for the bonfire. We've put the onions in, watered it. That dry bit's where I had a bit of wood across. This is my greenhouse, and nothing being done much down here. We've got a lot of clearing up down here to do, and the beans have been put in here. So that's what we've been doing today. I'll give you a look from the allotment from that way because you've never really seen it that way. So around here. So that's it. Okay, well, thank you for watching, and don't forget, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and we'll catch you on another day. So bye for now.